let's make sweet fried plantains. Start with some brown plantains and begin by cutting off the ends and then peeling the rest of the peel off. You'll notice that with brown plantains, they're much easier to peel than green ones, so you shouldn't need to fight this peel very much. The next step is to slice them, and you can go quite thin for these. It's nice to slice them diagonally to get a wider surface area to fry, but really any way of slicing them will work. Next, you're going to add some oil to a heavy-bottomed saucepan and wait until the oil shimmers like this to add in your plantain slices. Once you notice they begin to brown, go ahead and flip them, continuing to flip them and making sure that they don't burn on any sides, but that brown, almost black color is exactly what we are looking for. It tells us that the sugars in the plantains are beginning to caramelize. Once they look like this, you can pull them out of the oil and dry them on a paper towel lined plate. And at that point, they are ready to serve. You can top your plantains with some sugar, some cinnamon, or just enjoy them as is.